allow me to introduce myself. I am Amble. And this is Magic.
Hello.
And this is Box.
Hi.
And last but not least, tiny little baby furry sea bass.
G'day. Wait.
Our team name is Commonwealth Comrade.
I'm definitely the best at PvP. Kill it, yeah. Joker is oh no.
Green across
Oh
me.
no, I
I have
So much.
talent in bridging.
Oh, yes. Power of friendship. I'll use the power of friendship to win this Bed Wars game.
Each one of us has a special talent that provides the best entertainment for anyone watching.
he's a liar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good. I am the musician Among Us. You and me.
And I use light mode on everything.
What is wrong with you?
And I get jump scared really easily.
But we bring something that the other teams don't, and that is
Skills!
Sigh. He was gonna say comedic effect.
Why is he here?
we needed more players, but he was our last option.
What did you guys say?
Nothing. We're mostly looking forward to do the parkour because it involves no PvP. Anyways, not including us will be the biggest mistake of your life.